you some of the latest pictures that are coming in from Beirut in Lebanon. Reports of a huge explosion there. These are some of the latest pictures that have come in. I'll tell you what our colleagues from AP are saying, that a massive explosion shook Lebanon's capital, Beirut. No immediate reports of damage or casualties. That doesn't say there is any, obviously, but just we have no details. The blast shook several parts of the capital, with thick smoke billowing from the city centre. Some local TV stations reporting that the blast was at Beirut's port. Seeing that reported in from multiple sources. Some words on Twitter from a number of different individuals with expertise in the area, some suggesting that this is an explosion near the ex-Prime Minister Hariri's residence in the city centre, and also suggestions of a potential second very loud explosion as well. Our producer Zain Jafar, who's based in Beirut for a little while longer, reporting that this was a huge explosion that rocked many local buildings and has led to substantial damage, as those pictures testify all too clearly. I mean, the background to this, where do you want to start? I mean, Lebanon currently in political and economic turmoil, possibly meltdown is probably a fairer description. So no, at this stage, obviously no indication as to what may lay behind this. Whether it's even a bomb, or given that the port location could be an industrial accident, it's impossible to know. But what we can say with conviction is that a large explosion has been heard in Lebanon's capital, Beirut. We hope to speak to Zain Jafar on the phone shortly to pick his brains about that.